What is up, people? It is your boy, That Guy Ike. You are checking out another episode of One Race Lifestyle. I'm on my back patio because unfortunately we have a stay-at-home mandate due to COVID-19. Yes, we have to stay in the house. If you haven't seen my last video about Orlando's lockdown, make sure you go ahead and check it out. Before we even get started today, make sure you smash that subscribe, click that like, follow me on Instagram at One Race Lifestyle, Facebook at One Race Lifestyle, and Twitter at One Race Lifestyle. And also, the sooner we get the 1K, I'm trying to hit 1K by June 30th. If we can get the 1K, I'm going to be sending out some shirts to a couple of subscribers out there, all right? So it'll probably be this one or a couple other designs that I got. So make sure you smash that subscribe, okay? So this video today, I wanted to talk about my motovlog setup that I have. I know a lot of people have been rocking with me for a minute. I definitely appreciate all the subscribers out there that stayed true to the channel, that hung tough with me while we was getting this whole motovlog setup thing going. And I wanted to go over my new setup that I have, which a lot of people are asking me about, and also wanted to know how I get my audio so clear. With being on a motorcycle and having a lot of wind going by, but my audio just comes out super clear and crisp. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today, and I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you got your notepad out. I'm going to be putting links to everything that I have in the description below, so that way if you want to try to get the same setup, you can do so. All right, so first things first, so you want to start a motovlog channel. Just to give you a quick backstory on my motovlog channel. I started my channel, I didn't even own a motorcycle when I started my motovlog channel. I didn't even have like any crazy like camera setup or anything like that. So to anybody that's looking to start a motovlog channel, a car content channel or anything like that, just go ahead and do it. I started out just using my phone, going to car shows, going around at different motorcycle dealerships and things of that nature, and I just stuck with it. So it's all about what you have and how you utilize the tools that you have. So do not get discouraged by any of the equipment I'm going to show you that I have. If you can't afford the stuff, it's totally fine. Just use what you have. A lot of the cameras right now that you get on cell phones are actually a lot better than a lot of these expensive cameras anyway, but this is what I got because it works, and I wanted to try to get the best type of quality that I could possibly get for you guys, for the subscribers to check it out. So I'm going to take you back on what I started with. Of course, I started out with my cell phone at first, which is this, a little, Samsung Galaxy. This is a S9, I believe it was. I think I started on a Galaxy Edge. Started out with that, and of course, I didn't own a motorcycle, so I can just use my phone to take pictures of bikes, going around the different bike shows, motorcycle shops, car shows, things of that nature. So that was simple. But then when I got my motorcycle, I figured I wanted to do more point of view content, POV content. So in order to do that, of course, I needed some type of action camera. So, not having a lot of money, still trying to figure things out, I went ahead and purchased this right here. Hopefully I can get this in, but I got this right here, this camera, which is a Dragon Touch Action Camera Vision 4. It is a 4K camera, so it says 16 megapixels. It does connect the Wi-Fi to your phone. You can control it by your phone, but this was the first camera that I got. It came with a whole bunch of stuff. You can get this camera on Amazon. I believe it's like 50 bucks or something like that. I'll include a link to the description below, but you can get this camera on Amazon. And it was good for what I needed it for in the meantime. This is the actual camera right here. I'll go ahead and take it out the case. It comes with this waterproof case. I actually cut a hole in the side of the waterproof case to go ahead and plug the mic into it. The mic for this camera absolutely sucks. So if you see a lot of my old content, even the video where I rode the 2020 Kawasaki ZX6R, I was using this camera, and the mic for this camera is terrible. That was at the point where I said, you know what, I need a whole better setup. But this is the camera. You know what I'm saying? It was good for what, for what I needed, just to get started, to get my feet wet with it. But I would highly suggest, getting a better camera if you can. If this is all that you can afford, then get this camera, but definitely try finding a better mic to use with it. It came with the camera, it came with a couple cases, a couple of the GoPro snaps, and also it came with the microphone as well. So if this is all you can afford, definitely, go for it. But if you can get something better, if you can find an older GoPro or something like that, definitely go with the GoPro, which is actually what I'm filming on right now. And we'll go a little bit more about that in detail later. But as a matter of fact, I like to help people out. I'm really big on people chasing their dreams and chasing their goals. So if I have any subscribers out there that are looking to start a motovlog channel and feel like they can't afford a camera or would like a camera, let me know. I'll mail this camera, the microphone, It also comes with 2 batteries as well. I'm going in my little case right here. It comes with 2 batteries as well. I don't know if you can see these, but these are the 2 batteries. And it came with a charger. If you want to start a motovlog channel and you can't afford the equipment, you can't afford the camera or anything like that, let me know and get in touch with me. Shoot me a message or something like that, and I'll go ahead and get this camera mailed out to you free of charge or nothing. I just like to help people out. So let me know, all right? And you can have it, okay? I really don't care about doing multiple point of view camera shots. So, and if I want to get another GoPro, I'm, you know, blessed enough to where I can afford another GoPro. So if you need this camera, let me know. I'll send it out to you. You can have it. So I started out with that. As you see, a lot of the content, I can get the audio. We got birds chirping. As you can see, I can get the audio, I can get the video, but the audio, once I started moving on the motorcycles, it just was not good at all. You'll get a lot of wind. I think it's just the way that the microphone is built. It'll just have a lot of static, and to the point to where the audio was just trash. So yeah, I started out with that camera, the Dragon Touch Action Camera Vision 4. And this is actually my first helmet right here. With this helmet, got the GoPro on the side there, the GoPro Snap. This helmet that I use, I like this helmet. I think it looks cool. I really don't ride with it. It's very rare that I use the helmet. It's just pretty much a spare helmet. But this is the first helmet that I bought on Amazon. If you go to some of my videos, I talk about the gear. I talk about where you can get this helmet at and all that stuff like that. So you can find that information in some of the videos below. But this is the helmet that I started out with, and with that Dragon Touch camera on it. And I decided it was time eventually for an upgrade. One of the things that I did use to connect the camera to the helmet, because I don't like the GoPro, I don't like a lot of people use them. I just don't feel safe mounting my camera to them. I feel like it's gonna fall off or anything. So what I did end up buying, and I'm just gonna grab my other helmet here, put that down here. I did get this piece of equipment from the company called Telesen. I don't know if you can see it on front of the helmet there, but I did get this equipment here, and basically what it does, it mounts. This one's kind of beat up. I've had it for a while, so I'm gonna order another one. It's like $15. Get it. It's like $15. You don't got to worry about it damaging your helmet. The visor still closes and everything, but if you can, get one. I'm gonna get another one because this one is beat up, but this mounts to the front of your helmet. And this allows me to be able to switch from this helmet to that helmet, and, you know, back and forth. Or if I happen to get a new helmet, I can just go ahead and put it on any other helmet or anything like that. So yeah, definitely, if you can, for your camera mount, get one of these. It's from a company called Telesen. I'll include a link in the description below. You can find it on Amazon. It's like $15, $16. Comes in handy. But that's what I started out with the Action Camera 4. With this helmet and with this chin piece from Telesen. So like I said, you know, I wanted to go ahead and upgrade because the sound was coming in really, really bad. So I did all my research, looking around online, looking at other motovloggers, trying to find out what they use, looking at channels that I like how their setup is, I like how their quality comes in, their audio quality, and lo and behold, the one that I found was Chase on 2 Wheels. So I pretty much copied, you know, he was the blueprint. So I pretty much, I was fortunate enough to be able to afford a new GoPro. So I went ahead and got the GoPro 8, which, like I said, is what I'm recording on right now. The GoPro 8 ran me $400. It's not cheap by far. It's definitely very expensive, but I think for the quality and what I need for my channel, it was money well spent. It'll pay for itself in the long run, I'm pretty sure. So the GoPro 8, it doesn't come with much. It just comes with the camera, as you can see on the side. It just comes with the camera itself. It comes with one little clip. It comes with a charging cable, and that's really it. But fortunately enough, I already had a whole bunch of other, you know, accessories and connections, stuff like that. So, but if you buy this camera, please know you will end up needing another battery, although the battery on the GoPro 8 is super good. With everything I can film, the battery lasts about 2 hours, and that's just one battery. I have I believe it's a 64 gig memory card in it, and it shoots good, man. If you see my video from when I went to Bike Week and all the other stuff that I've been filming lately, I've been filming it all on the GoPro. A lot of people want to know how the audio comes in. A lot of people tell you with the GoPro that you don't need to buy anything external to plug a mic to it. That is an absolute lie. I thought I didn't, which is one of the reasons why I opt for the higher price camera, but I still ended up needing to purchase this. This is a GoPro mic adapter. This right here is $50 itself. I couldn't find it online or Amazon. They were all sold out, so I ended up ordering it from GoPro directly. It came pretty quick too. It took like 3 days and I got it. So it came from GoPro. And this is what you would need in order to connect a microphone to your GoPro camera. To get that crisp audio that you're seeing in a lot of my videos, this is part of what you would need. The other part would be a better microphone. So yeah, definitely don't forget this. If you get a GoPro camera, make sure you get the right one that has the USB-C connection. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's a USB-C connection. Make sure you get the right one for your camera. This one fits, I believe, the GoPro Hero 8 Black, the GoPro 7, and I believe the 6. So I just definitely know it fits the 8 and the 7. So definitely you want to go ahead and make sure you get one of these. It is $49.99, so you factor in your camera at $400, and now you have to buy this at another $50. So we're almost pushing $500. Now, let's get into microphones. There's a whole bunch of microphones on the market that you can find, that you can try. I decided to go with the best one. Like I said, Chase on Two Wheels was the blueprint because I love how clear his audio comes out. And so I went ahead and just took his advice on the microphone to get, and that would be this microphone here. It's called a Purple Panda. And if you go on Amazon, I believe Amazon is the only place that sells this microphone. If you are doing motovlogs, if you are doing any type of action sport vlogs, if you are doing any type of automotive vlogs where it's going to be high wind, you're going to be outside, where, I don't know, if you're going to be doing anything crazy, if you're going to be moving a lot, I highly suggest this be the only microphone that you buy. I even gave him a good review on Amazon. I stand by this microphone. Like I said, Chase on Two Wheels said, this would be the best one to get. I decided to go ahead and buy it. Get this microphone. If you're doing motovlogs, I 100% do not get any other microphone but this microphone. I can't be any more clearer than that. So again, it's called the Purple Panda. This microphone, I got it for $30. I think right now on Amazon it's like 40. But these birds are crazy. I live by the wildlife, so. But yeah, so this microphone, it was $29 when I got it. You can get it on Amazon. On Amazon right now, it's about $40. I will go ahead and post a link to the description below. This is what the microphone looks like. I have one of these little furry dead cat things, dust ball thingies, what you call on it. This microphone is mainly a condenser mic. For all my musicians out there, if you're used to recording in studios, having studio setups, which I'm a musician as well, you know what a condenser mic is. A condenser mic basically is a super duper sensitive mic, but it has really, really, really good filtration on it. And really, really good compression on it. So all of your audio comes out super crisp, super clear, and it's basically made to block out any external wind noise. Get one of these microphones. It's a Purple Panda. It comes with a whole bunch of different connections. It is a 3.5 millimeter connection on it, and so it comes with extra extensions on it right here where you can connect to it, and that helps you connect it to your GoPro audio microphone adapter. So I would highly advise getting a setup that's, for one, within your budget. It doesn't necessarily have to be everything that I have. I got what I got because I can afford it. And like I said, even in the beginning when I first started this channel, I could not afford a GoPro. I couldn't even afford the Dragon Touch action camera that I have as well. All I had was my cell phone. I didn't even own a motorcycle. I don't own any fancy cars or anything like that. And I just went out on a leap of faith and I just jumped for it. And I said, this is what I'm going to do, and I did it. So definitely, man, I'm hoping to pass along the blessings by, like I said, go ahead and giving this camera to somebody. So if you want this camera, hit me up. Follow me on Instagram. That's usually what I check my messages on. Follow me on Instagram at One Race Lifestyle. Send me a message and I'll do my best to choose somebody to get this camera out to. It's fully functioning. It works. I'll be happy to send it to you so you can go ahead and start shooting some vlogs. And when you shoot your first vlog, tag me in it. Let me know so I can check it out. All right. Quick rundown of everything that I got. So I got the GoPro 8 camera, which shoots super good. It's the GoPro 8 Black. I got the Purple Panda microphone, which I highly recommend. Don't get any other microphone but the Purple Panda microphone. If you get any cheap camera, get the Purple Panda microphone. And then also I have, again, the Telesin clip on the front of my helmet here. Actually, I'm gonna take this off so you can see it in full. It comes off pretty easy, which I'm in the process right now of taking it off of the helmet. It actually just connects by a couple straps onto the helmet, but this is what it looks like once it's off of the helmet. Kind of reminds me of a jock strap. I don't know why, but it does. If you play sports, you know what a jock strap is. But this is it. It has rubber on the back, so that way it doesn't scratch or damage your helmet. Your GoPro connects right in there and it's secure. This will not come off, even with the size of it being broken off right there. I go down the highway all the time with this on. It will not come off. I'm just gonna get a new one just because it looks kind of beat up. And like I said, again, it's only like 20 bucks, 15 bucks. It's really inexpensive. So definitely, man, I hope this helps you with finding an idea of what you want for your GoPro setup. If you want to hear how the Purple Panda mic sounds, just look at my previous videos of when I'm in Daytona and stuff like that on the bike. That's me using the Purple Panda microphone. It comes out super clear. Even with the visor open at top speed, you will get minimal wind noise on this thing. It's super amazing. I hope everybody's doing well during this coronavirus thing. Just to change, topics really quick, and I just wanted to do this video for you so that way if you have time to think about what you want to do and you want to try to set up your YouTube channel and you want to set up your Motovlog channel, definitely do that. Go with the GoPro if you can. Get you one of these. You can switch it from helmet to helmet, which makes it a lot easier, and you don't have to worry about getting one of these things stuck to the side of your helmet, one of these here, and then having to take it off and possibly damaging your helmet. So definitely do that. One quick thing too, just to touch back on how to connect the microphone adapter to your helmet. I have some hook and loop tape, Velcro basically. I went to Walgreens, as you see right here. You can see it right there, pointing to it. I went to Walgreens. The tape was like $3 or something like that, and it helps you slap it right onto the side of your helmet there, as you see. This will not come off at all. Like it's up there. It's not coming off. Actually, I even have a hard time just trying to pull it off, just to take it off, just to shoot this video for you guys. So definitely, man, I again appreciate everybody for rocking with me, staying with me through the transition. I hope the new content that I've been dropping you guys really appreciate, and I'm just gonna keep dropping more and more. I'm gonna do the best that I can during this lockdown, trying to get some content out for you. By the time this video loads, the website should be up and running, so all this merch will be on the website. I got the One Race Lifestyle shirts. I have a couple different designs. We're gonna have hats up there, and also for every order, for every 2 shirts that you buy, we're gonna be giving away something free for you, okay? And again, don't forget, if you are looking to start a motovlog channel and you don't have the means to be able to afford certain things, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram, One Race Lifestyle. I'll go ahead and get this camera out to you so we can get you started. All right. Again, this is your boy, that guy Ike. Thank you for rocking with me. I hope everybody's staying safe during this time, taking all the proper precautions, and I'll holler at y'all later, man. All right. Peace out.